Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Calendly for LinkedIn meeting scheduling, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, visit the Calendly website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by signing up with your email address. Once logged in, navigate to the integrations page in the main dashboard. Look for the LinkedIn integration option in the list provided. Click on the LinkedIn integration to begin the authentication process. You will be prompted to connect your LinkedIn account. Click the Connect button to move forward with the authentication. A new window will open, asking you to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and click Sign In. You may be asked to authorize Calendly to access your LinkedIn information. Review the permissions required and click Allow to grant access. After granting access, you will be redirected back to the Calendly dashboard. Here, you will see a confirmation that your LinkedIn account is connected successfully. Now, return to the main dashboard and select your event type. Set up your meeting details, including duration and availability. Save your changes to ensure your event type is updated. To schedule a LinkedIn meeting, share your Calendly link with others. When individuals access your link, they can book a meeting directly on your calendar. And that's it. Your Calendly is now authenticated for LinkedIn meeting scheduling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.